Howl-O-Scream has returned to Seaworld San Diego select nights now through November 2nd. This year, the event has 5 haunted houses, scare zones, vile vignettes, a new dance show called the Monster Stomp, secret bars, and of course, the opening ceremony. In this video, we're only going to show you highlights of the 5 haunted houses because, as you can see, I'm working on something a little special for you guys that's coming soon. So today's video is going to be hosted by Jennifer, also known as Spooky Professor. She's on location in San Diego at the opening night of Howl-O-Scream, and she's going to take you through the 5 haunted houses.
Hey Spooksters, we're here at Seaworld Howl-O-Scream. Come with me to check out the haunted houses and spooky festivities.
Darkness has fallen, and hell is
Let's go, come on! You wanna go, Gus? Move faster, walk with a purpose! Get out, let's go! Come on, move faster, walk with a purpose!
Here? First aliens, now you? We're never gonna get any work done around here. We're gonna file those missing alien reports.
They've all had. Are you hoping? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Friend! Did you find them? So you weren't looking. You weren't looking, you lied to me. And I called you a friend. No. No,
We're done. We're done.
Oh, I didn't see that the first time.
Get out of my bayou!
Please, you know what's going on? You know what's happening? I think someone's trying to kidnap me. I don't know what's going on. I think they're trying to kill me. I was at a party, and I don't know how we got here. I just woke up here, and I'm trapped here. You have to help me find a way out, please. No, not that way. You're gonna die. Come back. Come back.
Okay.
I love him. Yeah.
Sometimes I'm out. People gotta kill, people gotta eat, you know. Those.
Gotta do the thing, yeah? You'll find.
my grill station. Enjoy.
Jerry just wants to be your friend.
Get